How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of hiccups with a paper bag. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So with the hiccups, you guys, it's pretty easy to get rid of. And yes, using a paper bag, does work, because what happens with hiccups is that you need to control your breathing. So if you, like, this is weird. I'm hiccuping right now. It's weird. I'm making a video. Sorry, I'm making a video on hiccuping, and I'm hiccuping. So yeah, really recommend that you guys breathe into a paper bag. Is this going to be the best option? Like, are you going to see the best benefits by breathing into a paper bag? I would say no. I would say there's lots and lots of other different options out there that will help you better. So the first one that I recommend doing is staying hydrated. Hydration is going to be the main thing here. You need to make sure that you stay hydrated. So what I am going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description box to some liquid IV hydration. Highly recommend that. What that is that gives you 4 times the amount of hydration. 4 times the amount. That is insane. So drinking 1 cup of water is equivalent to drinking 1 liter of water. Like, it's insane. So highly recommend that, you guys. Next one is going to be limiting stress. You need to limit your stress. The reason for this is because stress can cause hiccups. So if you're stressed out, you're noticing you're getting the hiccups, it's because you're too stressed. So get rid of that stress. You're going to see some good results. So yeah, end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.